Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and as you can see in this video, we're going to have a look at the Universal Folk Tarot by Anita Inverarity. Inverarity? Look at this pretty cat. Okay, so I actually haven't seen this deck. It's by US Games. I'm opening it at the same time. I'm seeing it for the first time, as are you. I saw it in the publisher's cliff notes about what was coming, and I was like, yes, we have to have that. Let's pop that to one side. So what have we got in the book? I love her facial expression. This is obviously the Chariot, isn't it? Let's have a look inside. The Universal Folk. So the introduction. So her personal interest and relationship with tarot spans more than 30 years, much the same as mine. Briefly in the 90s, she offered consultations and workshops in various esoteric arts. There's been a more personal journey, which compares to having a good friend on hand with the best advice and nicest teas. Absolutely 100%. She knew that one day she would like to illustrate her own deck. That seed was planted in 2012 when the first drawings for Universal Folk Tarot came about. So she's done an oracle, a Universal Folk oracle. It's a labour of love, enlightenment, and at times the most extraordinary catalyst for personal growth. Tarot does that to you. So we've got a Waite-Smith framework, which I love, with occasional alternative narratives from folklore and mythology. So shall we have a look? This is colour, so we've got a fully colour. Let me just try and flick through this. Yeah, the book is a very thick book. And then does she have... I don't want to go too far forward. 8 of Wands. There we go. Yes, and spreads. You can see that, laying the cards out. Very helpful. Okay, so that's the book, comprehensive book. Let's pop that to one side now and have a look at the cards. She's Scottish. Scottish artist Anita Inverarity. She created it. Oh, rooted in healing energy and deep compassionate understanding. Okay, so let's see if I can get these cards open. Oh, lovely. Linen. So you have a linen feel. With some beautiful, beautiful backs, aren't they good? Oh, they feel really nice. Like a coal, a cobalt feel about them, like a slate. Oh, and then we have some shine. Aren't they lovely? Okay, so they feel very easy to shuffle. Literally, they glide. So let's begin. So we have the Fool. The facial expressions are so gorgeous. I love the High Priestess, very appropriate for her. I think that I think I'm liking these. These are gorgeous. He always has that troubled look on his face, the Emperor, doesn't he? Yeah, it was the Chariot. This is lovely. So you're getting a genuine response because you've seen I've just opened them. So we have the Wheel. Such gentle, gentle energy, aren't they? Okay, so we've got keywords on them. You see, Two of Cups, Eternity, Three of Cups, Coven, Sorrow. Well, I'll be very surprised if these aren't very well received into the tarot community. Very gentle, very colourful, just loving them. So we've got the Three of Pentacles. So we're now, so she's saying exactly the same name of the suits. Six for gold. So you've got the 6 magpies. Yeah, I would need a bit of time to really study these because they are gorgeous. You could get lost in the pictures. And we've got the 2 crows. So yeah, she's bringing all the folklore in, isn't she? Okay, so we've got the swords. That is trust as well. Yeah, you need to trust in your own ability to make a decision when you get the 2. I really like the fact that she's added the keywords as well in a very subtle way. So then we've got the swords, excellent, and then the wands. So the Ace of Wands to me always means brand new beginnings. So it gives you the energetic feel of the cards, doesn't it? 6. Okay, these are, oh, so gentle, very tasteful as well. Okay, so these are the Universal Folk Tarot by, and I'm not going to say her name again. I don't want to upset her and get it wrong. By Anita, and I think you'll agree, a very, very, very beautiful deck. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.